everyone, welcome back. So in this video we're going to create a virtual WAN. So the task that we're going to perform in this video are we're going to create a WAN and then we're going to create a hub using the Azure portal, and for that hub we're going to connect virtual networks. So pretty much this is what we're going to do in this video. So where is my so we're going to create a hub. So this will be virtual hub. Yeah, I'm bad with my writing. So this is a virtual hub, and in that hub we'll be having virtual networks. So we'll be creating a hub and we'll be adding some virtual network into that, which is again connected to virtual WAN. And in this case we are using side-to-side VPN instead of point-to side VPN. So this is simple architecture that we're gonna do in this video. So let us start. However, for the hub it will take 30 minutes, so like more than 30 minutes. So that is the reason I have already created, but I'll show you the process how I have created the WAN. So initially search for the WAN here, just click it, and not sure why it's not sure. Okay, so this already I have created, so you can just click create, and you can select the resource group. So this is the resource group I have selected, but if you don't have any resource group you can create one. So and then give a name, and you can use the location that you want. However, like you can choose any location that you want, because the WAN is a global resource and it does not live in any particular region. So you can select any one of these, and I'm keeping it standard because in basic there is only few features that we're gonna get. So that is the reason I'm going with the standard, and just review and create. So just didn't give any name, so that is the reason showing some error. So you can just go and create it. So once the WAN is created, we'll be creating a hub. So let me go back. So you can see here, and you can see the hubs here. Just click the hubs. So there is already a hub. So it took me a lot of time creating that. So I've already created just to make it simple in the video. So yeah, so you can select the region here. So according to the Microsoft Docs, it's West US, I believe. So just click West US and give the name, and give the private IP address. Once it's done, go to the side-to-side. As I've told you, like we have used side-to-side in this. So just click yes, and coming to the gateway skill, just select the first one. So basically, and one more thing, if you talk about the side-to-side VPN, it's a VPN where that provides secure connection between two or more sites, such as a company network or a branches of this business, and it connects to the office via side-to-side VPNs to ensure that the locations are securely connected. So as per like we have seen in the previous the architecture that I have showed initially, so that is how it is. So just making sure everything is right, and just keep everything as default, and just go and create. The validation is failed because I didn't give the private space. So however, you can give the private space. So in this case I have given so you can just go to review and create. So the validation is passed and you can create it. So this is how I created the virtual WAN. In this I have created the hub. So once the hub is created, you can attach the virtual network to it. So in this case you have to go to the virtual WAN, and you can see there is a virtual network connections. Click that. So click add connection. So in this case, I'm connecting this WAN to the resource Vnet that we have created in the previous videos. So if you have not checked, please go and check the previous videos so that you can get the clarity what I'm doing right now. So I'm selecting the hubs that we have created recently, and let it be group 1, and the virtual network, obviously it would be the research Vnet, and let it be the default one and just create it. So this is how you can create a WAN, and inside the WAN you can create the hub, and in that hub you can connect the virtual network. So this is how you can do it. So hope you guys have understood the concept of the virtual WAN using the Azure portal. So let's refresh it. Oh well, it's taking a lot of time. However, still it's in a process. So you can see there is a virtual network which has been updating, so it will be connected, it will be done soon. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. Hope you guys have understood the concept of virtual LAN and how can we connect the hub as well as virtual network to it. So if you like the video, please click like my video, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please just subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys.